The same 12 people who found Creighton killer Anthony Garcia guilty return to the courthouse tomorrow to decide if there are enough aggravating factors to make him eligible for the death penalty. The Garcia conviction of 4 murders came less than 2 weeks before Nebraska voters decide whether our state should keep capital punishment. Good evening, I'm Craig DeCrelly.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. Tonight we're digging deeper to find out if the Garcia verdict and possible eligibility for the death penalty could swing the vote in this hotly contested referendum. Senior reporter Jake Wazkowski is live with what he found. Jake?
Well, guys, most voters I spoke with today said that they had followed parts of the trial and felt the crimes were horrific. But if it influenced their decision, wasn't as clear. Wednesday, Anthony Garcia is convicted of killing Thomas Hunter and Shirley Sherman in 2008 and Dr. Roger and Mary Brumback in 2013. Tomorrow, he'll be in front of the same jury to decide if he's eligible for the death penalty. It's only 12 days until Nebraska voters will decide if the state should keep capital punishment. Today at the Douglas County Election Office, more than 500 people are voting early or dropping off a ballot. Many say they watched parts, if not all, of the Garcia coverage. But when it comes to their opinion or if Garcia deserves it, they're unwavering.
Deserve is an interesting term. I mean, I think a lot of people think he might deserve it, but personally, I just don't feel like it's our job to dole out that kind of, justice.
Douglas County Attorney Don Klein has been in favor of the death penalty and says the case is an example of why it's needed.
It could be some. It didn't influence me since I was already for it, but I can see where it could. The magnitude of the crimes, the heinous of the acts.
Morally, most felt the crimes were some of the more shocking they've seen, but also stayed with their choice morally.
It's bad. It's bad. And should not do that. But it's only guided to me. I'm Christian and I vote for life.
Again, tomorrow the jury will decide if there are aggravators in the crimes and if Garcia will be eligible for capital punishment. If they say yes, a 3-judge panel would later decide if he should get the death penalty. You can guarantee we will be there, I will be there tomorrow afternoon. Reporting live, Jake Wazkowski, KMTV Action 3 News.
And this is worth repeating. If you are in favor of keeping the law passed by the state legislature to abolish the death penalty, vote retain. If you are in favor of Nebraska having the death penalty, vote repeal.